Okay, so to start off with, you want to have your background ready. Now you can use any plain colored background, any dark background, or anything you want to use. So once you're done with that, what I'm gonna do next is just add text. And I'm gonna type in neon. And I'm just gonna select font. Now, one really important thing you have to keep in mind is you want to select a font which has different styles. So for now I'm going to use ultra light, and I'm just going to increase the size of it. I think this much is fine. Yeah. And I'm also going to change the color of it. So I'm going to keep it white. Once you're done with that, just duplicate this layer and go to edit text. Now select different font style which is much thicker than this one. So I'm gonna use medium, and I'm also gonna be changing the color as well, and I'm gonna use this pink color right here, like that. Now just go ahead on the white text and rasterize the layer. So now what you want to do is you want to adjust the letters in between. Now what I mean is, just the first thing is to just decrease the size of it. Now just select the select tool and select the letters, one letter at a time, and just align it in between the pink text underneath it, like this. Now just do this for every letter. Okay, and align this nicely. Once you are happy with the placement of the letters, go ahead and duplicate this layer, which is in the pink color. Rasterize the layer, turn on alpha lock, and hide everything. We are going to create drop shadow. So for that, I'm going to use black color and soft airbrush. Like this. Go back and release the alpha lock and add Gaussian blur. Like this. Now just turn on the layers above it and just place the shadow where you want to. I think this looks nice. Yeah. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to duplicate the pink text layer again, and I'm just going to hide it, and I'm going to keep it. If I do any mistake, then I'll be using this layer, so I'm keeping it safe so that we can use it later. Now I'm going to rasterize this layer again and add Gaussian blur. I think this looks nice. I'm going to duplicate this layer again, rasterize, blur it again, like this. I really like this. So obviously just add as much Gaussian blur as you want. gonna duplicate this layer again, rasterize, and add gaussian blur. Now this time I'm just gonna shift the layer a little above the text like this, so as to make it look as if the text is the light is hitting the walls like that. You can do the same thing underneath it, but I'm not doing that. Now, as we're not done yet, sorry, I forgot one thing. So go ahead and select the white text and duplicate the layer and blur the one underneath it. Not too much. I think 4 is good to go. 4%. Like this. Now the last step that I like to do, once I'm happy with the text and the lighting, what I do is I go to the background layer, I add new layer, and just go ahead and select this light brush from luminous brush set and select the same pink color as the text has and just add little light here and there as if like the hitting the walls. Also, I'm gonna shift the drop shadow a little bit. And I'm gonna decrease the opacity. I think 75% is good to go. And here you have it. You can also go ahead and kind of add Gaussian blur to this as well, but I think this looks nice just the way it is. Now that's how you create neon text effect. I really hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and you found it helpful, and if you did, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys the next time.